If you want to open split screen view on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then we have two main methods that allow you to do so. The first option is to simply open the first app that you want to open in the split screen view. Next, we're gonna go to Recent or the list of background apps. Tap on the app icon that we have at the top of the app preview, and then in here we can find Open in split screen view. Then of course we can choose the second app that we want to open in the split view, and there we go. Here we have it. Of course we can adjust the proportion. We can move down and up a little bit to adjust the split, and if you swipe it all the way up or all the way down, you're gonna go back to the full screen mode. Now, besides that, there is the second method, but we need to actually activate it first. So we're gonna go to Settings, over here Open Advanced Features, and then we can go to Multi-Window. And here we have Swipe for Split Screen. We can enable this option, and with 2 fingers you can swipe from the bottom of the phone to the inside, just like that. And then we can of course choose the second app, and there we go, that works as well. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.